Hi, I want to this video describes you about the operation of negative numbers. This operation includes four ways: adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. I start from the adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting. I want to describe you with the examples. 3 plus negative 7 for adding. I want to describe you with the number line to understand better. 0 is 3 and is negative 4. Okay. Before we find the answer, I want to describe that how we choose the answer. Our first answer show that where we start is 3. We start from the 3. And our operation, what is our operation? If it's a plus, we look to the right, and if it's minus, we look to the left. Plus, we look to the right. But our second number is negative 7. Second negative shows us and says us that how far we move and in which directions. If it's negative, we should go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is negative 4. And for subtracting, my example is negative 2, negative 4. I want to describe these examples on the underline too. I draw an underline, negative 2. Okay. I describe that first number is where we start. We start from the negative 2. Okay. And our operation. Our operation shows that we look which directions. Plus right, minus left. Is minus left. We should be look at the left. But our second number shows the directions too. Negative 4 shows the second number that describes show how far we move and in which directions. Negative 4 is plus 4, and this is the plus, and we go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 2. With underline, finding the answer is easy for us. And now I want to erase this and describe the two other operations for the negative numbers. The third is multiplying, and the fourth is dividing. Multiplying, dividing. Before I describe, I want to write the examples for you, and then describe my ways to find the answers. For the multiply is negative 7 plus 4 and 6 plus 6 times negative 3 and negative 9 times negative 11, negative 4 times negative 3 times negative 2. I bring you four examples for multiplying of the negative numbers with positive numbers or negative numbers too. Okay. Before I write the answer, I want to describe that how to do this. For the multiplying and dividing, we first we do the operation. Multiplying, first we multiply the two numbers. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay. And we look if we have one negative or two negative in our examples. Is one. Okay, one is alone. Should be bring in the before our answers. Second examples is 6 times negative 3. First, we multiply two numbers together. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, we look how many negative we have in the examples. 1. We bring there before our answers. Third examples is 9. Negative 9 plus negative 11. 9 plus 11 is 99. And, okay, now we look our how many negatives we have in the examples. 2. When we have one negative alone should be bring before the answer, but for the two negative, they cancel each other and becomes the positive. Positive 99 is our answer. For the fourth examples, negative 4 times negative 3 times negative 2. First we multiply. 4 times 3 times 2 is 24. That is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And we look how many negative we have in the examples. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Two negatives we know that cancel each other and becomes the positive. Okay. And we know that we have the one negative alone. No friends besides it. Okay, should be comes before our answers. And now this is for multiplying examples. And now is for the dividing. I bring the examples for dividing and then describe you about the finding the answers. Negative 56 divided by 8. Negative 30 divided by negative 6. And 50 divided by negative 10. Okay. My example is this. First, like the multiplying, first we do the dividing. Then we look at how many negatives we have in the examples. Okay. First is 56 divided by 8. 56 divided by 8 is 7. Okay. And then we look how many negatives we have in the examples. 1. Okay. And 1 is alone. We bring the before our answers. Second example is negative 30 divided by negative 6. First, we divided 30 divided by 6 is 5. And then we look to the negatives. How many negatives we have in the examples? 1, 2. Okay. 2 negative cancel each other and becomes the positive. Okay, our answer is positive 5. For the third examples, 50 divided by negative 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Okay, Now, time is to look at the negative. How many negatives we have in the examples? One. That is the alone and comes before the our answers. -5. This is my describing for operation of negative numbers.